So we found this pothole here off the side of the road. I just want to prove to all of you that this stuff not only works in water, but this is not even ideal. This does not have a very good base to it. It's got alligator skin already around it. I took out some loose rocks. I'm just going to sweep, see if anything comes up in terms of chunks. Nope, that actually looks pretty clean. No big chunks I could feel with the broom. We're now going to pour it right on top of that. I'd be shocked if it was higher than 26 degrees. It was 18 earlier. So that looks pretty solid, but this is showing you how workable this is. I'm applying no real force to this. I'm just tucking it in and it goes right in. And this isn't saw cut. This isn't babysat. I'm just backing up on this and just shoving it further into the ground with some secondary compaction. That's how easy it is to fill a pothole with Easy Street. Give me a call if you want a sample or demo. I'm here to help you out.